First, check out this channel. Some of its videos have 6.2 million, 1.2 million, 4 million, and even million views. And today, you can create the same kind of videos 100% free, which are fully monetized with proof. All you need to do is copy the channel name or link and paste it on YouTube Social Blade to see its stats. The channel I'm talking about is Monetized. It's monetized, and you can even check its income. In the last 14 days, it earned 1.8K, 29K. That's really high. You can also create a channel just like this with AI, voice, music, and videos, all free. If you're new, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube channel that creates the type of videos you want to make and watch the complete video carefully. I will explain everything for free. Once you open YouTube, use the snipping tool on your system to crop the required image and save it. If you don't want to do this, you can also get the prompt from me, which I will provide in my YouTube video description. Open ChatGPT. After that, upload the image that you saved and cropped using the snipping tool. Then write the following below it. I want to create a story about this exact type of character. Please create the same kind of character for me and give me a short story. Also give me 8 image prompts and make sure the character stays the same in each prompt. Now, in a moment, you'll see AI images and prompts being created, ones that are very good and amazing for us. The kind of image we want to make, exactly that kind of image will be created. You can see it from ChatGPT. You can take a longer story if you want, but I want only this much story. The story is now ready and the prompts have been made very powerful. Next, what should we do? Leonardo.ai is a very good website for creating AI images. Open the website, set the image size to 916 and select Phoenix 1.0. Then paste the prompt, and after a short while, the image will start generating. In this way, paste your prompts one by one. Once all prompts are processed, you will be able to see the generated images and how amazing they look. This is how you can create AI images on this website. I copy prompts from ChatGPT and paste them here one by one. Next, we will create an AI voice for free. There is a tool called Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech, which is one of the best tools for generating AI voices. You can use it for free at unlimitedai.tools. This website also offers free AI image generation. But here I will show you how to generate AI voice for free. If you can't find the tool, leave a comment and I will share the link in the comments. This tool provides free daily credits. Believe me, it works great. After opening the AI text-to-speech generator, copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Then select any voice you like. There are many voices available. Blaze and Alex are among the best, but you can choose any voice for understanding. Click on Generate, and remember you can generate up to 1,000 words at one time. For longer scripts, divide the text into 4 parts to create the complete voiceover. Now the AI voice is ready. You can listen to it. This is how the AI voice is created. And next, we will move on to creating the AI video. The first website is called Digen.ai. It is a very powerful and high-quality platform that gives you 300 free credits, which are enough to create around 10 videos. After that, it continues to provide daily credits, allowing you to create AI videos easily. As you can see, I currently have 5,000 plus credits because this account has been logged in for a long time. This means I can create many videos without any problem since I've received a large number of credits over time. If you want to create a lot of AI videos, Digen.ai is an excellent choice. One of its biggest benefits is that even if you don't actively use the website, it still keeps adding automatic daily credits, just like you can see in my account. Now we will create an AI video on this platform. It is a very good website. Click on Create, then go to Upload and first upload the image. After that, paste the first image prompt and click on Generate. The video will start generating. In the same way, upload the second image, paste its prompt and click on Generate again. The video creation process will begin and it may take some time. Using this method, you can create 2 or more videos easily. Usually, a 10 to 15-minute video starts generating within this time. Next, you can also use Magic Sand AI, but today I will be using Pixverse AI. The second website is called Pixverse AI. It is an excellent platform for creating high-quality, realistic, and cinematic AI videos with ease. When you sign up, it initially gives 80 credits, but if you log in with a new Gmail account, you receive 120 credits, which are enough to create around 6 videos easily. After that, Pixverse AI provides daily credits, allowing you to create up to 3 videos per day. Overall, Pixverse AI is a very powerful and reliable tool for making AI videos, especially if you want cinematic and professional-looking results. Here, I click on Upload, then upload the first image and paste its prompt. Creating the AI video costs 20 credits per click. After clicking, the video generation starts. You can see how amazing the AI image has turned out. If you ask me which of these 2 websites is the best, I would say Digen.ai, because it provides daily credits. As you can see, I currently have 5,000 plus credits, so I can create many videos easily. You can also use another excellent website called Magic Sand AI, which gives 500 credits. By using these websites, you can create AI videos daily without any problem. Now the AI video has been created, and it looks amazing and very high quality. For the final video editing, I will use CapCut, which is a very good software. Here, I can edit my video, add effects, transitions, music, and make it look professional. CapCut is easy to use, free, and packed with features, making it perfect for both beginners and professionals. After editing, my video is ready, and you can see the final result. Thanks for watching. Next time, if you have any questions related to the video, you can message me in the comments and I will answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will share another method.